Welcome to Genix Flooring, your one-stop destination for premium flooring solutions. Let's explore our stunning tile flooring collection. Tiles are a versatile choice for any room. We offer high-quality options from top brands like Bedrosians and Daltile. Our stone flooring options are sure to impress. From classic marble to rugged slate, our stone selection provides durability and a natural touch to your interiors. Our hardwood flooring collection will not disappoint. We feature renowned brands like Cali Floors, known for their eco-friendly options and stunning wood grains. Our laminate flooring collection fits the bill perfectly. With top brands like Mannington and Marazzi, you can enjoy the look of high-end materials without the high price. Our vinyl flooring is the perfect choice. Happy Feet International leads the way with innovative designs and exceptional durability. At Genix Flooring, we're here to help you every step of the way. Our team of experts is ready to assist you in finding the ideal flooring for your needs. Visit our website. Transform your space with us, where quality meets style. We look forward to seeing you soon.